cannot wait. We are crying. We are crying when we are ordering this.
It has
We cannot wait to
vampire
start eating.
stuff.
But look at the French fries.
Oh my god, look at these nuggets. That's the teeth. These are teeth nuggets.
But bring your chair closer. Want something to drink? Oh.
Look, that.
We got this.
That's so cool.
Oh, yeah,
Are
mine
you
is
going to bring this
the
oranges?
same.
Okay, want this? The way is rushed. I
So-
believe they gave
so-
him
Hey,
that
pickles.
person.
Wait, this has bacon? Don't never do. No, it doesn't. Yeah, that's pickles.
Well, take this one.
Ah, pickle.
Little white chicken nuggets are shaped as teeth.
Sister, what are you doing? Why are you eating like that? Huh? You can't get a plate and put that in. Take.
Well, I think
So
you're
these,
supposed to put it on there.
I have to start preparing stuff now. Before I know what they're eating.
What?